Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. In this session, I am going to explain you the Laplace transform of cos AT minus cos BT divided by t. So let us see the example. Find Laplace transform of cos AT minus cos BT divided by t. Okay, so this is the problem. Let us see how to solve this problem. First, you have to know the formula. What is the formula? L of f of t divided by t, which is equal to integral s tends to infinity L of f of t into ds. So this is the formula. You can compare with the given problem. So what is the given problem? Cos AT minus cos BT, which is equal to. You can compare with the given problem. What is given here? So f of t. Instead of f of t, here is the numerator. F of t. In the given problem, numerator is cos AT minus cos BT. So denominator is a t. So that's why 1 by t you have to integrate one time with respect to ds. So integral s tends to infinity. L of f of t is cos AT minus cos BT into ds. So this is the way you have to solve. So which is equal to, what is L of cos AT? That is the formula in Laplace transform. Cos AT is equal to s divided by s square plus a square. L of cos BT, which is equal to s divided by s square plus b square. So this is L of cos AT cos BT. Now I am going to substitute in the formula. So L of cos AT minus cos BT divided by t, which is equal to integral s tends to infinity. Instead of L of cos AT, you have to write as s divided by s square plus a square minus s divided by s square plus b square into ds. So therefore, you can divide this integral into two separate. You can separate into two parts. So first part is, which is equal to integral s tends to infinity s into ds divided by s square plus a square minus integral s ds divided by integral s tends to infinity s square plus b square. So if you are integrating this, so s ds divided by s square plus a square can be written as 1 by 2 log of s square plus a square minus 1 by 2 log of s square plus b square. Okay, so this is the integration of s ds divided by s square plus a square. So s tends to infinity. So I am going to apply the upper limit as well as lower limit. So how to apply the upper limit as well as lower limit, you have to see. So 1 by 2 is a common. So therefore log a minus log b can be written as log a by b. That is the formula. Using the formula, log of s square plus a square divided by s square plus b square. Why I am writing this one? Log s square plus a square minus log of s square plus b square can be written as log of s square by a square divided by s square plus b square. The limit is s tends to infinity. So next you have to apply the upper limit first. Second, you have to apply the lower limit. So first let us apply the upper limit, which is equal to 1 by 2. So log of, instead of s you have to apply infinity. So log infinity minus log of s square. For s you have to apply s. So the same will come. S square plus a square divided by s square plus b square. What is the log infinity? Which is equal to 0. Okay, that is the formula, which is equal to half into log of, so minus. So minus can be written as reciprocal. So s square plus b square divided by s square plus a square. So this is the answer for this Laplace transform. Thank you.